Hey there guys, Abners Reviews here, and today we are playing with the Growler. We are now in the month of December, so for the month of December, we are giving away this Growler Toy Gun Blaster right here, and of course still a $10 Amazon.com gift card. So to join our giveaway for December 2022, all you need to do, like, comment, and share our videos this December 2022. So we will be announcing the winner for this giveaway by the end of December 2022. So there you go guys, happy holidays. Best of luck to everyone. And once again, this is Abners Reviews, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. $28 darts included, a 3.7 volt rechargeable battery, and its charger right here, and our actual Growler soft bullet gun right here. These are the sticky ones. So I'm thinking that this also holds 28 darts at a time. So let's go to the 3.7 volts battery right here that's included with the charger. So what you do here is you insert the connecting ends right here, like so, and there. Then the interface to charge it is a USB. We can use a power bank or a wall charger. There's an LED indicator right there on the charger that it is indeed charging. So this is a 3.7 volts battery that is included with the charger right here. So in terms of included features and attachments, there's really not much in here. Just these darts and the batteries that is included and the blaster right here. So for included features and attachments, we will give this one a score of 3 out of 5. So this is our actual blaster right here. It has this circular like built-in magazine right here. So I'm guessing this one rotates when you are firing. As we have received 28 darts, I would assume that we can also load 28 darts at a time. So you have to load the darts in here. And this one right here with the arrow pointing outward, right there, this is our actual gun barrel right here. As you can see, it's lined up with one of the compartments for our darts right there. This is our on and off button. So this is a rapid fire blaster supposed to be. We only have one button right here to press. This is our trigger right here, the red part on the handle or the grip right here. So this is our entire grip or handle right here, and just below the trigger is our battery compartment right here. So you just have to open the hatch in here like so. There. And you will find the connecting wire inside to connect our battery. You would be firing like this. So your hand is back here, and this is the front of our blaster right here as mentioned. So you would be firing like that. So we have our battery right here with a connector. So this is the battery compartment right here. Let's open it. And we will just be connecting this wire inside our blaster to the battery connector on our included battery. Okay, Once connected, you can just put the battery inside this compartment as well, like so. There's plenty of room in there, and we can close this up like so. So now all you need to do to use our blaster is to toggle the on and off switch right here and push the trigger right here. All 28 darts in. So just a tip, don't push the darts in too hard, because underneath here it would go over the clip that is stopping them from coming out of the, well, somewhat magazine in here, circular magazine. Just give it the right amount of push, just so it would fit to the cylinder where it should be, right there. So I think 28 darts is, well, more than enough. And so in terms of ammo capacity, we are giving this a score of 4 out of 5. Okay, so in terms of grip and handling, as I mentioned, you would grip it like so. I would say that it has a good grip because there's really no other parts of the gun to hold on to. Literally, you just have the grip right here, that's it. But it's a good grip. It feels sturdy enough to take on the gun. I mean, control it. So in terms of grip and handling, we are going to give it a score of 3 out of 5. Since we're locked and loaded, we can already try and operate our blaster right here. We have the batteries connected. You have 28 darts in here. So when you turn the blaster on to the toggle switch right here, this is what you'll hear. There. So when you turn this on right here, all the steps you do is push our trigger right here. So there, so as you have seen on our simple test right there, you can shoot continuously and you can also shoot one at a time. So this is like a, well, it's really sensitive in the trigger right here. Initial reaction, this is a lot of fun because it's automatic. So again, no rev trigger, just the on and off switch right here. You just push the trigger, the red part right here, and darts will start flying. So since we have seen how it works, we can now put it on our chronograph machine. So there you go, guys. So in terms of FPS, we are giving the Growler a score of 3 out of 5. So there you go, guys. You have seen our test firing right there. And this is really a good blaster in terms of the rate of fire. I wouldn't say more in terms of accuracy for this one, as this is a burst fire or rapid fire blaster. So instead of accuracy, we will be giving it a score for its rate of fire, just like what we did with the NERF turbine, right? So for the rate of fire, we are giving it a score of 5 out of 5. Okay, so for our final scores, please look at our screen right here. So there you go, guys. Hope you liked our quick unboxing and review of the Growler soft bullet toy gun right here. By the way, just to compare, this is the dart included on our package, and this one is our regular elite darts for NERF. So as you can see, it is quite longer than the one included on our blaster, meaning it is not compatible with our regular elite darts such as this one. Just take a note of that. So this blaster is really a lot of fun, and it has great rate of fire, and it also is great that it carries 28 darts at a time. That is more than enough ammo capacity when maybe you're in a battle or something like that. Even though this blaster is not a magazine fed type, that is a really great feature, carrying that amount of darts, right? The trigger is maybe a bit sensitive in terms of launching our projectiles right here, but the good thing here is you're in control. You can either choose to launch them one at a time or burst, so you are totally in control. And if you have inquiries or comments, please put them all down below. So there you go, guys. Please do not forget to like and comment on our videos. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing to Abners Reviews. Click the notification bell, select all, to get notified when we upload another one of our toy gun reviews right here, as well as our usual video uploads. Also follow us on our social media links right here. So that's been it. This is Abners Reviews, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.